What if someone built a billion-dollar hotel in the middle of the open sea?
Millions see luxury. Few know the impossible engineering hidden beneath the waves. Dubai dreamed of building a luxury icon where only the sea existed. No island, no land. Engineers had to create the ground itself. Dubai wanted a landmark the entire world would instantly recognize.
This structure isn't just aesthetic. The sails are designed to be fully energy generative, reducing the city's overall carbon footprint by 20%.
Architect Tom Wright imagined a sail rising from the sea. The design honored Dubai's rich maritime heritage. One enormous obstacle remained. There was nowhere to build.
Engineers selected open water despite extreme construction risks.
The seabed revealed shifting sand and unstable marine conditions.
Ordinary foundations would never survive beneath the sea.
The solution was bold: build an island before building the hotel.
Thousands of shipments delivered rock into the Arabian Gulf.
Every wave tested the island before construction even began.
Advanced marine defenses protected the island from relentless waves.
The island stood ready. Now the impossible construction truly began.
Construction began, where waves never stopped, challenging every decision. The enormous concrete foundation slowly took shape above the water.
Thousands of tons of steel reinforced every critical structural section.
Clear the deck, we are lifting column 4. Steady now, keep it aligned with the laser grid. Confirmed, set it down.
Every lift depended on perfect timing and calm weather.
The iconic sail shape slowly became visible above the Gulf. Its giant steel skeleton balanced engineering with elegant design.
Get those chains on the plywood now. Help me with this tarp, quickly. Lower the boom, easy now. We got it, watch your hands.
Glass panels transformed steel into a global architectural icon. The impossible hotel finally stood above the Arabian Gulf. Construction finished. Now, every system faced its ultimate engineering test.
Stress load is nominal at 1.2 GPa.
Good. Let's check the throughput on Sector 4.
The building had to resist extreme wind from every direction.
Engineers inspected every bolt, beam, and structural connection. Marine barriers protected the island from endless ocean erosion. Luxury demanded perfection beyond engineering alone. Every suite combined engineering excellence with extraordinary luxury. The world's tallest hotel atrium stunned every first-time visitor.
What a spectacular opening. How do you feel tonight, sir?
It's absolutely breathtaking. A new jewel in the city.
Burj Al Arab instantly became Dubai's global symbol.
Look at this view.
Absolutely stunning. Cheers to that.
The impossible dream transformed Dubai's image forever. One impossible idea inspired a new era of global engineering.
Burj Al Arab quickly became one of Earth's most recognizable buildings.
Millions traveled simply to witness this engineering masterpiece.
Luxury tourism transformed Dubai into a global destination. Its success inspired even bolder projects across Dubai.
Lower the beam slowly, watch the alignment. We need to secure Section 7 immediately. The wind is picking up.
Hidden foundations continue supporting the hotel beneath the sea.
Structural stress levels are increasing with the wave fluctuations.
Reroute the ROVs to inspect the compromised joint immediately. Wind speeds are increasing rapidly in the southeast sector. Rerouting power now, but the structural stress is deepening. Wave analysis remains stable.
The wave pressure spike is exceeding threshold 7.
Rerouting power to the structural stabilizers now. The wind shear is increasing.
Even powerful storms cannot stop this engineering marvel. Innovation made luxury possible where only water once existed. The impossible became a global symbol of modern engineering. Vision, courage, and engineering reshaped Dubai's future forever.
Look at the detail on the structural system here.
It's incredible how they managed the wind load on the facade.
And the artificial island required such precision.
Every wave below reminds us how extraordinary this achievement truly is. Dubai didn't just build a hotel, it built an engineering legend.